Time right now, people living in Arlington County could have to pay more taxes with the hope of recruiting and retaining more public safety officers.
This all comes as the county is dealing with a large number of vacant jobs when it comes to police officers and firefighters. Jacqueline Quinn joining us in the studio now with more on this proposed plan. Jacqueline, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Annie. This could be the county's first tax increase since the start of the pandemic. As it stands, and it affects not only law enforcement, public safety, but education, housing, drug programs, as well as day-to-day operations. However, the police and firefighters unions are speaking out right now because they say this 1.5-cent tax increase is needed to staff personnel for emergencies. The police union also tells us they're down 72 officers out of 300 and almost 380, but together both fire and police unions say this is the worst staffing crisis in 30 years. This money would be used to recruit and retain officers, as we mentioned. That's a big factor because of increased cost of living along with staying competitive.
Starting salaries as Prince William County or Fairfax and not give some type of incentive to drive through those jurisdictions to get here, it's just illogical to expect to have better numbers.
And let's break it down. Yes, this is a yearly rate tax increase. That means for every $100 you pay on assessed property, you would pay an extra 1.5 cents. If we do the math, if your house is $500,000, you would pay $75 more a year. And leaders say even with cuts they're making without this increase, many departments would see huge shortfalls for operating such as in schools. Annie.
Jacqueline Quinn, thanks for that.